and girls, today in math, it shows you how we're going to make 3D shapes with Play-Doh and straws. But I decided I had our toothpicks from a previous lesson, and I have some leftover jelly beans from Easter. So I'm going to make a cube using jelly beans and toothpicks. The toothpicks are the sides of our shape, and the jelly beans are the corners or the vertices. So I'm going to put jelly bean and then toothpick and jelly bean and toothpick until I get a square. That's a 2D shape. But our goal is to make a 3D cube. But the first step is a square. Almost done with the first square. Okay, so I have one square, but that's a face. We need another square. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did there, which is alternating toothpicks and jelly beans to make a cube. To make a square. Okay, so I almost have my two squares. Here's one square and here's the other. But we know that this is not a cube. So I'm going to take one of my squares. I'm going to stick toothpicks on each of the jelly beans. Now be careful, these are sharp. So if you're going to use toothpicks, have mom or dad or older brother or sister help you so that you don't poke yourself. Or just be very careful. Okay, almost ready. And here's my cube. So your challenge today is to either get different materials to make a cube, or you can use the same ones I used, but make a different 3D shape. Now, before we go, I'm going to give you a challenge. We did not learn about this shape before. It's something called a pyramid. You may have seen it if you've gone to there's a hotel that has it, or even maybe if you have older brothers and sisters, there's a place called Egypt. They have some pyramids too. Now, a pyramid is a square on the bottom. So I'm going to do the same thing like I did with the cube, and I'm going to make a square. So here's a square on the bottom, but we need to put Q-tips or toothpicks on each of the marshmallows, just like we did for the cube. But instead of making them going up and down, they're going to go kind of in the middle because there is a vertice or a corner on the top. So this almost looks like a cone, but instead of any round faces, they're all triangles. And here is my pyramid. It is 3D because it has sides, vertices, and if you sat on this would hurt because it's 3-dimensional. See you next time.